Hello everyone, Bhavishya here from CoinDCX, and this is Trading with CoinDCX 101. Login and sign up on CoinDCX are pretty straightforward. If you are a new member, just head over to CoinDCX.com and click on Create Account. Enter your basic details like your first name, last name, email ID, and phone number. Choose a password which has at least one uppercase, one lowercase, and one number. Make sure it's longer than 8 characters. For example, test12345 with T capital. Don't put that as your password, choose a new one. Referral field will self-populate if you register after clicking on a referral link. You can also manually enter the referral code of your friend from the link that he sent you. After you check your details again, click on Sign Up. The link would be sent to your email that you mentioned while signing up. Click on that link in the mail and confirm your account creation. You can now log in. You can log in from here or the landing page of CoinDCX. Just head over to CoinDCX.com and click on Login. Enter your credentials that you entered at the time of sign up. You will get an OTP on your phone and your email. Enter that OTP here to verify your identity. You will now be able to see your trade dashboard. Although to start trading, you need to first complete your KYC. We'll cover that in the next video.